I'm looking out from the middle of my deck, southern direction. You can see at the bottom of the image there is no grass. So scanning the back area all along my unit, no grass. No grass. You can see my little rope where I'm trying to seed and plant grass, and then you can see up the line gradually everybody else's unit has grass behind them, but not mine. I'm going to pan back down and show the drainage issue now. It's been raining pretty much all night. You can see there's an outflow from my gutter. There's a pile, a puddle that collects right at the base of that tree there. I'm going to zoom in on that. There's that puddle. And then going back this way, there's a small stream or rivulet that comes from my neighbor's drain pipe, which I've helped her get better. You can see my little stone outfall there. That's where it goes, but it drains all the way along and stays in a puddle right about here, right near that white pipe there. That white pipe right there. Yep, see that puddle? It's not getting over the edge of the embankment here. The water is not making it over the edge of the embankment. It's collecting behind my unit, and I think that's why there's no grass growing, coincidentally, behind my unit like there is everywhere else. Chicken or the egg, sod, grass seed, or deal with the drainage issue.